In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the Amazon order history 2026, step by step. Before we start, a quick clarity check. Amazon doesn't let you permanently delete orders from your account. The closest option is to archive an order, which hides it from your default orders view. This keeps your list tidy and more private, but the order still exists in your account for things like returns, invoices, and customer support. Open a web browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign in to your account so you can access your orders. If you use extra verification, complete that step and you'll land on the home page. At the top right, move to the Accounts and Lists menu, then click Your Orders. This takes you to a timeline of everything you've bought. By default, it shows recent purchases, but you can change the date range using the drop-downs on this page. Find the order you want to hide. If it's not immediately visible, use the filters for past 3 months, a specific year, or other timeframes. The search bar on this page can also help. Type a product name, a keyword, or part of the order number to narrow it down. If the order is large or part of a multi-item shipment, expand the order details to make sure you're looking at the exact item you want to hide. When you've located the correct order, look for the Archive Order option under that order. Click Archive Order. A small confirmation window will appear to make sure you really want to hide it. Click Archive Order again to confirm. After this, the order will be removed from your default list and won't show up in your regular orders view. A few important notes so you know exactly what changed. Archiving is not deletion. It simply hides the order from the main list. Your receipts, tracking history, and return windows remain intact. If multiple people share access to the same account, the order can still be found in the archived section. So treat archiving as a privacy convenience rather than a lock. You can repeat this process for any other orders you want to hide. Keep in mind that Amazon may limit how many orders you can archive, so focus on the ones that matter most. And if you ever need the order for warranty, returns, or expense records, it's still available to view and unhide later. That's all there is to it. You've signed in, opened your orders, found the purchase you want to hide, archived it, and confirm the change. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Amazon order history quickly and